Okay guys, so we're now going to take you on to the bird. So obviously birds fly and birds flap their wings. So this is really what it is, it's a bit of a flap, okay? So your fans will become an extension to your arms and really will be you flapping around. So you've got a couple of ways that you can flap. You can kind of sort of flap out here, yeah? Or you can kind of flap up and down. So you can flap your wings up and down. Now what you might want to do to get into that position is go from a sweep, especially if your fans have started to close a little bit, okay? So let's just take it from a simple body cover. I might take my arms down into a sweep, twist them round, and then start my flap. Yeah? So what I've done is I've just sort of created that sweep to make sure that I've got my hands in position and that the fans are nice and open. And I've used this sweep to then rotate the fans from poking up, yeah, which is what we do in our scales, to bowing down, which is what we do for our birds. Yeah? And like I say, you can have the arms at the side of the body, or you could even have them slightly out front. Okay? But that there is your bird. So I'm going to leave you to flap your wings